Are you worried about your Google account security? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your account's password. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily change your Google account's password. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So you can do this both on your mobile phone or your computer. It does not matter. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Chrome browser, click on your profile, and then click on Manage your Google account. Now it will take you to your account manager directly. So from here, you will see different tabs on the left side of your screen like your personal info, data and privacy, and security. You want to head over to the security tab. If you are on mobile device, you will find these tabs on top of your screen. Once you head over to your security tab, all you need to do is now find the password tab. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see the password tab on your device. Now you are just going to click on this password right here, and you will be prompted to enter your current password first. I've already done that, so it has directly taken me to this screen, but in your case, you just have to verify that it's you. And then once you do that, you will have an option to enter a new password. So you can enter a strong and memorable password here. And then you can just remember the password and re-enter it on the confirm new password. Click on this button right here and your password will be changed. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I will catch you guys on